Hi, welcome to the second week of classes. This video is to help you understand what is due during the second week of this course. So the first thing that you need to do is to log on to Blackboard. Remember that the assignments are located in the weekly assignment tab on the left side of the page. This week is week 2. Again, you have an outline for this week, so you can click on that and it will show you the items that are due for this week. You'll notice that this is the first week that you have a discussion due. It is also required that you read the first chapter of the text and finish the quiz for chapter 1. So let me show you how you do both of these things. For the discussion board, please make sure that you read through the class discussion handout. It goes into detail about my expectations for the discussion board. Because we're not meeting in person and we don't do live meetings for this class, it is important that you engage in the discussion board because this shows me that you are understanding and able to apply the information that you are reading about in the textbook. If you scroll down, it will show you in the rubric how to earn an A, B, C, and a D. So I would hope that all of you are going to be shooting for this A. So you will need to participate in the discussion board on 3 separate days, and you need to have a minimum of 4 to 5 posts. So there's an example of what that might look like, and I can show you what the discussion board is like. So from this week's folder, you would click on the week 2 chapter 1 discussion board and it will take you to this page. So I have given you 5 different prompts for this week. I encourage you to read through each of them and then decide what is interesting to you. So for example, this particular post has a link to a TED Talk. So you would go to the TED Talk and watch that here. After you're done watching the TED Talk, there are some questions here that you could talk about, or you could discuss other things as it relates to chapter 1. If you like this TED Talk and you want to respond, you would click reply and you would type your thoughts right here. I encourage you to also engage your classmates in further discussion. So that could be by posing further questions regarding this video, this TED Talk, or making statements that maybe I did not point out here. This will help drive the discussion forward and people can then reply to your posts as well. The other thing that you can do for the discussion board is that you can create your own thread. So as you're reading chapter 1, if there's something that you find particularly interesting, or if it reminds you of something that you have read or seen, you can create your own thread to engage your classmates in discussion. And I encourage you to do that whenever you can. To do that, you click Create Thread. You would write the subject here, so something from chapter 1 that you found interesting, and then you would type here. I encourage you not only to give links to different videos or articles, but also to pose questions to your classmates, again, in order to get that discussion going. Remember that we need that encouragement in order to keep the discussion flowing. So again, you can find the directions for the discussion board in the week 2 folder, and then the link to find the discussion board is right here. The other thing that you have due this week is the chapter 1 quiz. If you click here, it will take you to the quiz. Click begin. This book is Open Note and Open Book. It may take you a while to complete because they are all short answer. You can begin the quiz and come back to it later. There's a way to save your answers and then also to save and submit when you are done answering all of the questions. This is the format of the quiz for all of the chapters in the book, so just be prepared that all of your quizzes will be short answer. There's also a folder of supplemental materials for Chapter 1. There's a way to take an outline or to complete an outline if that is helpful for you when you are reading and trying to comprehend information. If there's another way that you learn better when you are reading information and I can assist you with that retention, please let me know and I can do my best to help you. For this week, I've included some different videos about the models of communication that you will read about. You can also direct your discussion for the discussion board towards the information located in these folders as well. And I've tried to make a folder of supplemental materials for each chapter of the text. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this information, please feel free to email me. You can also join our office hours that are on Tuesdays. The information for office hours is in your syllabus. I hope you have a great week.